I want to connect Hokoi S70 neck-mounted BT earphones to my iPhone. So I'm turning on the Hokoi S70. But the Hokoi S70 device is not showing on my iPhone. If the Hokoi S70 device is not showing up on the iPhone, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it. Charge the neckband for 15 to 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to the phone. If Hokoi S70 still doesn't show up on the iPhone, turn the neckband off and on again. Now try connecting again. If Hokoi S70 still doesn't show up on the iPhone, check if the neckband is connected to another phone. If the neckband is connected to another phone, unpair it from there. Hokoi S70 now showing on iPhone. Connect it now. The Hokoi S70 is now connected to the iPhone.